Hi everybody, Elizabeth here with Country Peony, and today I've got a really sweet DIY for you. So I partnered with Clover to bring you this really charming heart garland using their quick yo-yo maker in the heart shape. So this is my first time using their heart-shaped yo-yo maker, and I had so much fun using it. And the beauty with today's DIY is that you can use any colors, any prints that you want to make your own heart garland. So if you want to see the very simple way to make your own, then come along. Thank you so much for following along today, guys. I hope you feel inspired to start playing with some of Clover's amazing products. If you want to see more simple DIYs and tutorials, then please check out my blog, countrypeony.com, or feel free to follow me on Facebook or Instagram at The Country Peony. I'd love to have you there. Until next time, happy crafting.